Buenos dias! Welcome! Are you excited for a fun learning session? Great! So, let's start! Today we will learn the types and uses of equipment and tools for salting. Salting is one of the oldest food preservation methods. Salting is a process where the common salt, sodium chloride, is used as a preservative that penetrates the tissue, hence slows the bacterial growth and deactivates the enzymes. Some of the factors involved in salting of fish which play important role are purity of salt, quantity of salt use, method of salting, weather conditions, and flavor of the product. Equipment for salting. The table below shows the type and uses of equipment for salting in accordance with manufacturer specification. Number 1, electric fish scaler. It is used in removing the scales of the fish. Number 2, oil drum. It is used as a container to keep salted fish during the process. And number 3, we have salinometer. It is used to measure salinity of a brines. The 3 equipment for salting, we have number 1, electric fish scaler, number 2, oil drum, and number 3, we have salinometer. Tools for salting. Number 1, wooden salting vat, a container used in the salting process. Number 2, we have oil drum, used for mixing or stirring the mixture of salt and small fish for salting. And number 3, we have salinometer, used in storing the salted products. Again, the 3 tools for salting, we have wooden salting vat, oil drum, and salinometer. Let's practice. A. Define salting. Salting is a process where the common salt, sodium chloride, is used as a preservative that penetrates the tissue, hence slows the bacterial growth and deactivates the enzymes. Let's see how much have you learned today. Directions. Given the following uses, identify what types of salting equipment and tools are being described. Number 1, it is used as a container to keep salted fish during process. What do you think is the answer? Are you sure? Let's check. It's an oil drum. It is used as a container to keep salted fish during process. Number 2, this is used in storing the salted products. What do you think is the answer? The answer is earthen pots. It's used in storing the salted products. Number 3, it is a container used in salting process. What do you think is the answer? Yes, it is a wooden salting vat. It is a container used in the salting process. Number 4, it is used in removing the scales of fish. What do you think is the answer? It is an electric fish scaler. It is used in removing the scales of fish. Number 5, it is used for mixing or stirring the mixture of salt and small fish for salting. What do you think is the answer? It is a wooden shovel or spade. It's made for mixing or stirring the mixture of salt and small fish for salting. And number 6, it is used to measure salinity of the brine. What do you think is the answer? Yes, that is a salinometer. It is used to measure salinity of the brine. Congratulations! Job well done! Remember, equipment and tools, uses of manufacturers' specifications. Every equipment and tool that are purchased are accompanied with a manual containing specification as to how they are used, manipulated, or operated, cared for, and stored to lengthen their serviceability. Specifications usually include the following. Number 1, important safeguards or basic safety precaution to follow when using the device, like a pressure cooker for instance. Number 2, warning labels which serve as a reminder to the user to read and follow instructions on the proper use and operation of a certain device, equipment, or tool. Number 3, dimensions, weights, and capacities as in the case of cookers, boilers, and streamers. Number 4, instructions on caring for the equipment, tool, or utensil. Number 5, instructions on the correct usage of the device. When using any equipment, tool, or device, it is important to read and understand the manufacturer's specifications in order to properly or accurately use or manipulate them. And prevent any accident that may occur due to the ignorance or lack of information pertaining to their correct usage. Being familiar with all the information pertaining to food processing equipment result to systematic, orderly, and accurate accomplishment of tasks. Let's try. Let's see how much have you learned today. Directions. Inside the box are names of equipment and tools used in salting. Classify them as equipment or tools. Electric fish scaler, salting equipment, or salting tools? It's salting equipment. Correct. Oil drum, salting equipment or salting tools? It's salting equipment. Wooden salting vat, is it salting equipment or salting tool? What do you think? It's salting tool. Wooden shovel, salting equipment or salting tool? What do you think? It's salting tool. How about salinometer and earthen pots? What do you think? Salinometer is salting equipment and earthen pots belongs to salting tools. Very good. Job well done. Congratulations.